If you want to grow as a photographer, aside from a lot of practice, one of the best ways is to show your photos to other people and receive constructive feedback. Who do you want to ask for this feedback? Well, you want someone who is going to be honest with you. So that person probably is not a family member or your best friend. Friends and family are great, and they're honest people, we hope, but they also don't want to hurt your feelings if their evaluation is not so positive. Quite often, friends and family will tell you the opposite of what you need to hear. So start with other photographers whose work you admire and whose opinion you trust. Chances are other photographers will be honest with you and offer suggestions that other people won't because the other people don't know photography. Photographers know what to look for. They're going to notice composition. Is it good? Your exposure. Are you right on or are you a little off? Or perspective, let's say. And they're going to know this before other people who do not know photography. If there's a photography group or a photography club in your town or city, join now. Maybe even show up to a meeting to see if it's what it's like to know if you're going to be comfortable in that environment. A photography club is an ideal setting for you to show your images and receive good, honest feedback. Additionally, in larger cities, photography reviews are offered. Professional photographers or photo editors offer their services for a fee to evaluate your portfolio. And they'll look at your photos and give you a good evaluation of what's good, what's bad, what will sell, what will not, etc. Often, though, be aware that the fee for a portfolio review is rather expensive. What I would avoid is clinging to the comments you receive on social media and considering these comments to be valid. In the world of Flickr, Instagram, Facebook, etc., everything is rainbows and butterflies, right? Almost everyone will tell you how wonderful your photographs are. Well, social media simply is not the real world. Besides, how much thought goes into clicking a little heart or a thumbs up icon? Not much, I guarantee you. So do not rely on social media for honest feedback because it's not going to help you become a better photographer. When you do share your photos with other people for feedback, show them good photography. Yes. Convince other people that you are indeed a good photographer with your images. Don't try to convince other people that your photos are great by using big inflated words. My rule of thumb is show me, don't tell me. Show me a good photograph, don't tell me how good it is. With that said, upload and show me 2 of your best photographs in the comment section of this course. What I'll do is offer you feedback and we'll get a good idea of where you stand now. And I look forward to seeing your images.